Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our news channel. Today we have Should India Focus on Natural Farming? Now, this is the article about natural farming. What is a natural farming? Students, we know that farming is important for us, right? Because of the farming, we get to eat. Our country is surviving because of the farming, right? So, what do you mean when there's a word natural added in front of farming? See, natural farming, students, it's a way of growing plants and raising animals that relies on nature's process. So instead of using chemicals and machines, farmer use natural methods to grow food. That is what we mean by natural farming. Nature से related है. कुछ भी artificial नहीं add हो रहा है, chemical कुछ भी add नहीं हो रहा है. And in India, our government has also adopted natural farming, and Indian government has also started few initiatives relating to natural farming. One such initiative was national mission on natural farming. Okay, so objective of this scheme is basically government wants to motivate farmers to adopt chemical free farming. ठीक है, तो केमिकल फ्री फार्मिंग, तो एग्जांपल्स क्या हो सकते हैं नेचुरल फार्मिंग के? Suppose farmers are not using chemical fertilizers or pesticides. Instead, they are using compost, which is made up of decomposed plants and animals waste. So this compost helps keep the soil healthy and full of nutrients. And other few things relating to natural farming are some plants are better if they are grown together with a companion crop. For example, when we plant marigolds near tomatoes, it can help keep pests away because marigold have a smell that some bugs don't like. So these are some of the natural ways of growing crop. And farmers might keep chickens to eat insects or cows to graze on grass. And the animal waste that we are getting from these animals, it can be used as a natural fertilizer for the crops. So these are some of the steps, these are some of the examples of natural farming. And why is it good? Why do you think natural farming is good? See, students, food grown naturally, first of all, it doesn't have harmful chemicals, so it's healthier to eat, right? And natural farming method also keep the soil and environment clean. So that is another benefit of natural farming. Moreover, farmers, they can spend less money on expensive chemicals and machinery. Now, imagine a farm where the farmer grows vegetables like carrots, tomatoes, and lettuce, and she plants some other crop between the rows of vegetable. जैसे कि we have दो ऐसे क्रॉप्स हैं और इनके बीच में भी क्रॉप यहाँ पे फार्मर ग्रो कर रहे हैं. Okay, and that farmer is also keeping few chickens that can roam around and they can eat pests, and they provide natural fertilizers. So when the vegetables are ready to harvest, they are healthy and full of nutrients, just like what nature has intended. So natural farming, students, is all about working with nature to grow healthy food in a way that is good for the planets as well as for us. So what is the importance of natural farming, and why do you think India should also adopt it? First of all, we have already covered this point that natural farming helps maintaining the fertility and structure of soil. Because when we use excessive of chemical fertilizer, it degrades the quality of soil. Moreover, natural farming, students, it also includes certain practices, which is mulching. देखो यहाँ पे मेंशन्ड है बायोमास मल्चिंग. Okay, now What is mulching? Students, basically, this is a gardening technique where you cover the soil with a layer of material. Okay, and this material can be anything like straw, leaves, grass, clippings, or wood chips. So why we mulch? Basically, this mulching technique helps keeping this water in soil so plants don't dry out quickly. And it also prevents weeds from growing by blocking sunlight. Mulch can also, students, it can also protect plants roots from extreme temperature. क्यों? देखो, आप पूरी सॉइल है, उसको हमने लीव से कवर कर लिया, वुड चिप से कवर कर लिया, तो स्पेस वहां पर नहीं होगा। यहाँ पे जैसे आपकी क्रॉप है और बाकी ये जो पूरा स्पेस है इसमें हमने मल्च रख दिया है। सो दिस ऑर्गेनिक मल्च, when it is going to break down, it will add nutrients to the soil. Okay, and it will also prevent uh, extreme temperature. So it will keep the plants cool in summer and warm in winter. Moreover, these mulch, देखो पूरा तो कवर हो गया, तो वीड जो होती है, एक्सेसिव जो वीड्स होती हैं, उस वो भी नहीं ग्रो होगी। So imagine you have a garden with tomato plants, and after planting, you spread a layer of straw around the base of the plants. आपने यहाँ पे एक टोमेटो ग्रो किया और उसके सराउंड में आपने straws डाल दिए. Now this straw will keep the soil moist and it will prevent weeds from growing. एक तो soil को moist रखेगी और ऊपर से जो weeds होती हैं वो भी नहीं grow करेगी. So this will eventually make tomatoes richer. ये important है, ये technique important है. That's why we include these techniques in natural farming. All right? तो natural farming ये होता है. अब यहाँ पर इस आर्टिकल में एक और चीज मेंशन है, difference between conventional farming and organic farming. I hope it's now clear कि conventional farming और नेचुरल फार्मिंग के बीच में क्या डिफरेंस होता है। सबसे पहले तो आपको पता है कि कन्वेंशनल फार्मिंग इट इज बेस्ड ऑन केमिकल ओरिएंटेशन, मीनिंग दैट वी यूज केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स। ऑन द अदर हैंड, इन दिस ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग इट इज बेस्ड ऑन इकोलॉजिकल ओरिएंटेशन। ठीक है, तो इकोलॉजी पर ज्यादा फोकस होता है। अब स्टूडेंट्स और भी सारी चीजें हैं, जैसे इस आर्टिकल में अगर हम बात करते हैं तो first of all, there's a word mentioned, zero budget natural farming. Zero budget natural farming क्या है? Students, this is also a farming method where farmers use natural materials and techniques to grow crops without spending money on chemical fertilizers and pesticides. देखो ना, नाम से ही पता है, zero budget. We are not spending any extra money on chemical fertilizer. So the idea is basically to reduce cost to almost zero by relying on things that are easily available on the farm. कौन से चीजें हैं? जैसे farmers can use natural substances like cow dung, cow urine, jaggery, and soil to make fertilizers and pesticides. And no synthetic chemicals are used in natural budget, zero budget natural farming. Farmers, they can grow different types of crops together to improve soil health. Why it's important? Students, farmers, first of all, they are able to save money because they don't have to buy expensive chemicals. And it also helps the environment by keeping the soil, water, and air clean. So, zero budget natural farming is also good. Moreover, let's say a farmer in India uses cow dung and cow urine to make a natural fertilizer called Jivamrit. Now this fertilizer, it is going to help plants grow well without the need for chemical fertilizer. And the farmer, they can also plant a mix of crop in the same field to keep the soil healthy. तो जीरो बजट नेचुरल फार्मिंग भी एक टाइप की फार्मिंग है जो इंडिया में ही ढूंढी गई थी. इंडिया के ही एक पर्सन ने ये जीरो बजट नेचुरल फार्मिंग ढूंढी थी. नाउ योर होमवर्क इज टू फाइंड आउट हु हैज actually started this practice of natural farming. Who was the inventor of zero budget natural farming? This is your homework and this you have to write down in the comments. ठीक है, तो ये सबका होमवर्क है, आपको ढूंढ के लेकर आना है और कमेंट्स में मेंशन करना है कि जीरो बजट नेचुरल फार्मिंग किसने इन्वेंट किया. ठीक है, किसने ये ढूंढा था, ये आप सबका होमवर्क है. एंड प्लीज यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द आंसर इन कमेंट्स बिलो. ठीक है. Now, this article also mentions about certain challenges associated with natural farming. सबसे पहले जो challenges हैं वो ये कुछ ऐसे हैं, जैसे natural farming it actually require more hands-on work. For example, to weeding out and to prepare natural fertilizers, which can be sometimes time-consuming and labor-intensive. Okay, and without chemical pesticides, sometimes managing pests and disease can be challenging. So farmers must rely on natural methods which might not be as immediately effective. So these are some of the challenge. Also, there are financial constraint and adaptability is also one of the issue, because natural farming technique may need to be adapt to local soil and climate condition, so which require experimentation and adjustments. और सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है कि फार्मर्स रेजिस्टेंस भी फेस कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि और अगर हमने ग्रेजुअल इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं किया तो सिचुएशन एडवर्स भी हो सकती है, जैसे श्रीलंका में हुआ था. श्रीलंका ने क्या किया था फ्यू इयर्स बैक, दे हैव स्टॉप्ड ऑल टुगेदर, दे हैव स्टॉप्ड इंपोर्टिंग केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर. ओके, सो दे डिसाइडेड टू टर्न कंप्लीटली ऑर्गेनिक. तो पूरी तरह उन्होंने कंप्लीटली डिसाइड कर दिया था कि ऑर्गेनिक करना है भाई. एंड इंपोर्ट जो केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर का था उन्होंने बैन कर दिया था, जिससे बहुत ज्यादा कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस फार्मर्स को फेस करना पड़ा. ओके, सो अनदर इश्यू विद नेचुरल फार्मिंग इज द यील्ड वुड बी रिड्यूस्ड, है ना. तो यील्ड रिड्यूस होगी. तो इंडिया में आपको पता है ऑलरेडी इंडिया हैज हाई पॉपुलेशन, तो उसमें अगर यील्ड रिड्यूस होगी तो फूड सिक्योरिटी का इश्यू भी हो सकता है. सो व्हाट वी नीड एज ऑफ नाउ इज एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन. एक्सपेरिमेंट की जरूरत है, मोर रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट इज रिक्वायर्ड. तो ये सारी चीजें अगर अडॉप्ट होगी, इम्प्लीमेंट होगी, तो नेचुरल फार्मिंग ऑब्वियसली जो कि बेटर ऑप्शन है इंडिया में हम कर सकते हैं. So this is all about the natural farming. And why we are discussing this, students, because हमारे बजट में भी फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर निर्मला सीतारमन ने अनाउंस किया था कि नेक्स्ट 2 years 1 crore farmers across the country will be initiated into natural farming. नेचुरल फार्मिंग बजट में भी मेंशन है, इसीलिए हम इसके बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं. Alright students, so that's it for today, and don't forget your homework. You have to find out who has invented zero budget natural farming, and you can write down your answer in the comments below. Bye bye students, have a happy learning.